KDO95.
What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of Maine, including the following areas: Androscoggin, Central Interior Cumberland, York, Highlands, Kennebec, Southern Franklin, Southern Oxford, and Southern Somerset. Portions of New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Eastern Hillsborough, Interior Lothian, Merrimack, Carroll, Grafton, Southern Coas, Stratford, and Western and Central Hillsborough. When? From Sunday evening through Tuesday evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details. Current stream flows are near normal, but excessive rain combined with saturated ground will lead to higher than normal runoff. This may cause river levels to exceed minor flood stage at several locations across the watch area, with additional river locations exceeding action stage.